Hey, welcome to Module 4, the ultimate off-page game plan. Finally, now we're going to talk about backlinks. I'm sure you must be wondering, Sonny, I've gone through 60 videos, I've gone through 3 steps, 3 weeks. How come we haven't talked about backlinks? That's the most important thing when it comes to SEO. Well, to some extent, you're right. But then backlinks only work if you have implemented the strategies I've already talked about before. Your technical SEO, your keyword research, your on-page optimization, and so forth. So now let's get into backlinks. Here's something about backlink building. It's off-page optimization, right? Which means now you're working with pages that you have no control over. Maybe you're trying to get a backlink from a local media website, right? Now you don't own that website, so it's a little bit of work. In the beginning, you might even feel, hey, that's a lot of work. I'm not going to do it. So 2 things. 1, I don't want you to do this yourself anyways, unless of course you have really good contacts locally. And you'll get to understand what I'm saying as you go through the videos. So find somebody, that's number 2, find somebody who can implement these strategies for you, because they can be time consuming. And if you're a business owner, you don't want to start working on how to get backlinks, how to reach out to a media outlet, and so on. I have all the strategies laid out for you, step by step. So you go through the videos, like always, you make notes, and then find somebody who will do it for you. Find someone who you can hold accountable for this. The benefit of off-page SEO is not just getting more backlinks. It's not just getting higher rankings in search engines. It's also great for your branding. This will help you create an awareness about your brand in your area locally. And that way you'll be able to beat your competition as well. With off-page SEO, you also get more social traffic to your website, which means you get traffic from Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram, and so on and so forth. So off-page optimization, off-page strategies, or getting backlinks has many benefits to it besides just ranking higher in search engines. So start going through these videos, start working on the strategies, ask me questions if you have any, and keep me posted. So let's get started, and I'll see you in the next video.